Remember when Donald Trump said that under President Biden, the stock market would crash? Take a look at this. The stock market is nearly double under President Biden than Donald Trump. The rate of job growth has been 40 times higher under President Biden than it was under the last 3 Republican presidents. You see the job growth under President Biden. You see the job decline under Donald Trump. More Biden jobs boom outpacing Trump significantly. Let's talk about wages and the wage growth tracker, significantly higher under President Biden. Let's talk about production of crude oil. The United States produces now more crude oil under President Biden than any country ever in the history of the world. Oil, gas, and renewable energy production are now at all-time highs under President Biden. America is more energy independent than ever. Remember when Donald Trump and corporate media pushed the narratives that Biden's going to destroy the oil industry? We hit a new all-time high on oil production. How about President Biden's CHIPS Act, which has revitalized the semiconductor industry here in the United States, creating many new jobs? Well, the CHIPS Act is attracting an insane amount of investment. The U.S. is now on pace to add more investment in electronics manufacturing construction this year alone as it did in total from 1996 until the passage of the CHIPS Act. How about this manufacturing boom under President Biden? Total construction spending in U.S. manufacturing at an all-time high. How about crime at an all-time low? Significant reductions in crime when crime was at its highest objectively when Donald Trump was in office. How about household wealth? Let's take a look at another chart. Average household wealth for those under 40 in the U.S. is up 49% from its pre-pandemic level. How about this next chart? Primary takeaway from claims data through the first 3 months of 2024 translates to the best jobs market in the past half century, with wages now outpacing inflation. Real economic growth of any G7 country post-COVID. Investment in American manufacturing facilities contributed more to our economy's growth than it has in 40 years. Violent crime went up under Trump and down significantly under President Biden.